Dear friends, before I start the dictation, I have to say something. Actually, from today onwards, for the coming 3 or 4 days, I am giving dictation on a recent judgment passed by the Honorable Supreme Court under POSCO Act. You must have heard of the judgment touch to touch contact like that, where Supreme Court has turned down the decision of Bombay High Court. So this judgment may contain such words which actually we can't use while we are sitting with our family. So please ensure that when you are doing this dictation, you are not sitting with such family members where you feel very embarrassing. So please use headphone. All the legal dictations for the next 3 or 4 days will be from this judgment. So now let us start the dictation. Okay, 5 seconds to go. Start. The four appeals filed by the appellant's Attorney General for India by the National Commission for Women, by the State of Maharashtra, and by the appellant accused Satish respectively, arising out of the judgment and order dated 19th January 2021, passed in Criminal Appeal number 161 of 2020 by the High Court of Judicature at Bombay, Nagpur bench, and the appeal filed by the appellant State of Maharashtra arising out of the judgment and order dated 15th January 2021, passed in the Criminal Appeal of 2020 by the same Nagpur bench encompass similar contextual legal issues and therefore permit us this analogous adjudication. Factual matrix in case of the accused Satish. The extra joint additional sessions judge Nagpur, hereinafter referred to as the special court, void the judgment and order dated 5th February 2020, passed in the Special Child Protection Case number 28 of 2017, convicted and sentenced the accused Satish for the offences under sections 342, 354 and 363 of the Indian Penal Code, for short IPC, and section 8 of the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012, for short POSCO Act, being aggrieved by the same, the accused Satish had preferred an appeal, being Criminal Appeal number 161 of 2020 in the High Court of Judicature at Bombay, Nagpur bench, by the judgment and order dated 19th January 2021. The High Court disposed of the said appeal by acquitting the accused for the offence under section 8 of the POSCO Act and convicting him for the offence under sections 342 and 354 of the IPC. The accused was sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for a period of 1 year and to pay fine of rupees 500 in default thereof, to suffer RI for 1 month for the offence under section 354 and to undergo imprisonment for a period of 6 months and to pay fine of rupees 500 in default thereof, to suffer RI for 1 month for the offence under section 342 of IPC. The case of the prosecution before the special court, as emerging from the record, was that the informant happened to be the mother of the victim, aged about 12 years. The accused Satish was residing in the same area where she was residing, that is, Deepak Nagar, Nagpur, on 14 December 2016. At about 11:30 am, the victim had gone out to obtain guava. Since she did not return back for a long time, the informant mother went in search of the victim. At that time, one lady, Sau, who was staying nearby, told her that the neighboring person, the accused, had taken her daughter along with him to his house. The informant therefore went to the house of the accused. The accused at that time came down from the first floor of his house. Stop.